Hello everyone, James here. In this video we're going to go over Kucoin trading platform, which is alternative to Etherdelta. You can buy majority of ERC20 tokens on Kucoin exchange. It's really easy to use. You will like it once you use it, and it's really safe as well. So as you can see, I'm on their homepage right now, and those are the coins that it shows what's going on, kind of preview of it. Announcements, promotions, and this is the amount of money that the volume that they had for past 24 hours. Then you have your sign in button. If you want to change the language, you can do that from there. Again, there's announcement as well. There's more advertisement. Right here you get news, you get explore, they have bonuses, your invitation link will be right here, your settings right there, the market and home button. So that's about it as far as their homepage goes. If you need to sign up, just click sign up. I will have my link to my referral link. If you want to sign up through that, I will be thankful. But in my case, I will go ahead sign in since I already have an account. So my account is, I have two-factor authentications turned on with my account, and I do that with all my accounts. If you don't know what two-factor authentication is, it's owned by Google. You can download it from iTunes or Google Play Store. It's really easy to set it up. You set it up from the settings once you sign up. I will recommend to use it with all your accounts. So I'm gonna put my code. The code changes every 30 seconds or 30, I believe it's 30 seconds. So that's why it keeps your account safe. So I'm going to plug my code in. As you can see, it logged me in. As soon as you get logged in, it will take you to your wallet, and it will tell me like how much I have as far as in BTC goes, and the equivalent ratio to USD. And these are the coins that are out there. You can change it by total of coins that you have. As you can see, I have those coins right there, and I have Litecoin as well. Right here, our deposit button right here. We just go there, and if you want to deposit any coin, you can just click on it. For example, if you want to deposit BTC, that's your address, or you can just take a scan that and deposit it that way, and right here will show your incoming deposit. As far as withdrawal goes, it's the same thing. You just go withdraw, and you want to withdraw whatever, like let's say you want to withdraw Dash, you click on that, you put your withdrawal address, you put the amount. Again, I have two-factor authentication, and I have to plug that in right here and confirm it, and they will send email for you to confirm that you want to withdraw this money. These are my active order. If I have open orders, will be right here. My closed orders, the orders I already bought, will be right here. And income, if I have signups, that will be right here. So this is it as far as deposit withdrawal goes. Let's go to the market and do some trading so we know how to live trade. So as far as trading goes, this is the trading page right here. There's the name of the coins. This is the BTC pair. We have Ethereum pair. We have Neo pair. We have USD Tether and Kucoin shares, which is their own coin as well, like Binance, and they have a pair for that. As you can see, they have majority of ERC20 tokens in here. That's why I like it. And you can also filter by change, like, hey, which one has the best gain right now? You can do that. So you can BTC Diamond has been up 370%. You can change by volume, by amount of BTC people exchange it to volume. You can do that as well right here. Or no, this is amount and this volume right here. And that's about it as far as BTC pair goes. Let's actually, since I have Litecoin, I will go trade some Litecoins so you guys see how to do live trade on Kucoin. As you, I will pick Litecoin. Okay, not ETC. So we are on a LTC BTC pair page right here. As you can see, we have the chart right here, and it's telling us what's going on. There's a time frame. We can change the time frame to whatever minutes we want. We can also change the candles to bars and to anything that you like. And there's the indicators. If you want a different indicators, you can do that as well. If you want the chart big, you can do that as well right here. And here we have the sell and the buy orders. Those are the sell orders. Those are the buy orders right here. As you can see, there's more sell orders than the buy orders. Right here would be your active orders, your delta orders. If I sold any, seems like I did, it will be right here. Here's your market. You have the sellers and you have the buyers, and those are the people that already settled their transactions. In order for me to buy and sell, I have to once again enter my two-factor authentication. I told you before, it changes every 1 minute, so it's a different number. So as you can see, if I want to buy something, it's on this side. If I want to sell something, it's on this side. So I have I have one LTC that I can sell, and that's the price that I can sell it right now. That's the 1681 Satoshi. And if I want to sell whole LTC, I can do that, or I can do 25% of it. We click sell, and the sell order, it says that the sell order is placed. As you can see, my order was placed, and I can see it right here. If I really want to sell that order fast, I can just click on this person right here. He's trying to buy for that price, and just sell it for him instead of just waiting. Is that changing in? I think that order. So yeah, just click on that for him for that price, and click sell. And in that case, it will sell it right away. It should be able to sell it right away. No, I was wrong actually. No, I was wrong. So the buyer, we want to sell it for buyer, and this is the buyer. I can just click on the buyer, and I want to sell all my Litecoin. I can just click on that and click sell, and my sell will go right away, as you can see, because I sold it to this person. This is a good way to do it when the market is moving really fast and you want to sell your coins right away, or you want to buy it really fast. You can just click on or whatever price, and you can sell it that way. So let's go buy another coin. Let's see, this coin just came to the market, and it looks like a good coin. It was just released the other day. It seems like it's dropping, but I will go ahead and buy it. So in my case, if I want to buy it fast and I want to buy it right now, or I can wait. Actually, it's a good price to buy right now. I can click on this person who's selling his shares, click on that, and say like I want to buy 50% of my holdings, and click on that, and that's it. Buy order was placed. Actually, I already bought it. As you can see, I have 61 coins in my wallet. So that's about it as far as like buying goes. You can also buy at whatever price you wish. If you want to buy a different price, you can do that as well. You can just put the amount, put the price, and that's about it. As far as that goes, like I said, there's different pairs. If you want to trade different pairs, you can do that as well. And that would be it for Kucoin. If you have any questions, concerns, please ask, comment, and I'll see you later.